Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play World of Tanks Modern Armor. First, download the game and complete the tutorial to learn basic controls. You'll then choose your first tank, often a Tier 1 vehicle, to begin your journey. Focus on understanding your tank's strengths and weaknesses, like its armor thickness or gun penetration. Practice maneuvering and aiming at weak spots on enemy tanks. This foundational knowledge is crucial for success in your initial battles. Once you're familiar with the basics, dive into understanding tank classes. Light tanks excel at scouting, while heavy tanks lead the charge with strong armor. Medium tanks offer a balance of firepower and mobility. Always use the environment to your advantage. Hide behind buildings or hills to avoid enemy fire. Prioritize targeting enemy weak spots, like lower glacis plates or commander's hatches, for maximum damage. Effective teamwork is also key to securing victories. As you play, you'll earn silver and experience points, or XP, which are vital for progression. Use silver to purchase new tanks and equipment, and XP to research modules like more powerful guns or stronger engines. Upgrading your tank significantly improves its performance. Focus on developing strong map awareness to anticipate enemy movements and position yourself effectively. Learning to read the battlefield and adapt your strategy is crucial for climbing the tiers. Personalize your tanks with various camouflage patterns, emblems, and inscriptions to stand out on the battlefield. These aren't just cosmetic. Some camouflage can even improve your concealment rating. Don't forget to equip consumables like repair kits and first aid kits, and essential equipment such as a gun rammer or vertical stabilizer to gain an edge in combat. Remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals. Mastering these elements will significantly enhance your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.